So there are different types of compound operators. This one is add equal, subtract equal, multiply equal, division equal, modulo equal, and equal. So bitwise and equal, and exclusive or equal, bitwise or equal. Okay. So first of all, here we are having three variables A, B, C. Okay. A has 50, B has 10, C has 3. So I want to perform the addition operation between A and B and store that result into A. So how to do that? Set A equal to A plus B. Okay, this one. Then you can write like this to display the result. So 60, 50 plus 10, 60. Okay. And next, you can write select statement in the place of set statement also, like select A equal to A plus B. Okay. So you can make a comment for set statement 60. Okay. But what is the difference between set and select statement? So the difference is select statements allows multiple assignments, but set statement allows only single assignment. Okay. So here we are assigning addition operation result to a variable. Okay. So you can do like this also. You can test. So, so here I am doing subtraction operation between A and B and storing that result into C. But giving here by giving here comma, it indicates error. Okay. I am trying to do in same thing in select statement, but it does not give error. Here red mark means it indicates some error. Okay. So incorrect syntax near comma. Okay. So if I give comment on set statement, then 60. Okay. So subtraction value is 50. So why subtraction value is 50 means here at this point a value is 60. So we are doing subtraction operation between a and b. So 60 minus 10, so 50. Okay. So this is way of assigning result into variables. Okay. And in shortcut, how to do this all this simply select A plus equal B and so simply we can get 60. Okay. So like that we can do minus 40. Okay. You can do multiplication 500. You can do division 5. You can do modulo equal. Okay. 0. Okay. If you put C, then 2 will come. And unequal means if you do like this you will get 2. If you do next one is exclusive or equal. $49 B 56 and 58. Okay.